Kids! In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper shirt. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a rectangular sheet of paper. So I'm taking light purple. You guys can take any color you like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half. So next step is that we're supposed to open it and we're supposed to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line like this. Now we have to turn the paper to the opposite side and we have to fold the paper a little bit on the bottom. So now we have to turn the paper back onto that side and we just have to take both sides of the paper and we have to fold it at the top part like this. So this part should be touching here. So after we complete this, we're just supposed to turn the paper again to this side and we're supposed to fold it here so that this corner part touches the middle point. So we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side as well. So now we'll have a structure like this. So after we complete this, we're just supposed to take the bottom part and we're supposed to fold it to the top. So before we do that, I'm just going to open the parts here so that it will be easy to slide it in. So now I'm taking the bottom part and I'm folding it to the top. So now I'm just keeping this in and I'm sliding both of the parts here in here. So now we just have to press on it so that it will be good enough. So after we complete this, our shirt will be ready. So now I'm just going to be decorating it. So you guys can leave it like this or you can decorate it if you like. So now I'm just going to take a black marker and I'm drawing a line in the middle. Like this. And now I'm just going to be drawing a rectangular box on the right hand side of the shirt. And I'm just going to be coloring the top part in so that it will look like a pocket. And now I'm just going to be drawing small dots on the middle line so that they will look like buttons. So after we complete this, our paper shirt is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. Bye!